What I'm really saying here is that after these few, the security controls are in the Salesforce files area of setup. So let's go there in more detail with a view on sharing and security. And our types of file access are, there's no access, so you can't find or view. There's viewer, which is just find, view, download, share. Collaborator, on top of that, you can edit the file details, new versions, change the sharing settings. And then owner, so you can make private, you can delete. And as you saw a moment ago, the library owner or anyone with the delete permission in the library can also delete a file. But if you don't need something so granular, there's two more generic, much simpler options. There's set by library, so it'll match the library access. And there's set by record. Now, one thing I find a little strange is that you can share a file with a chatter group and you can add a public group as members of a library. So this is a little bit odd in that if you built out a library, you can't straight away grant access to members of a chatter group to discuss and collaborate. You need to keep the members of that chatter group and the members of the library in sync manually. So let's look at private files. A file is private when you've just uploaded it to your files home, you've published it to your own private library, you've clicked the Make Private button, you've synced a file with your Salesforce file sync, or when you've deleted all posts that contain the file and it isn't available anywhere else. Now, the exact opposite of a private file would be a sharing setting of your company. So that would be all internal users, when a file is posted to a feed that all users can see. And just to note that files uploaded to the attachment related lists on records are now uploaded as Salesforce files. And just to talk more generally about files, in that it has custom fields, record types, and page layouts, validation rules. These all exist for files, which is great. It's easy to imagine what you could do here, but for our specific sharing context today, there's a couple of scenarios we need to look at. So for example, if your company has 3 record types for your file,